All right, guys, now let's talk about the phases of the moon. So the phases of the moon are caused by the moon's position relative to the earth and the sun. So what the heck does that mean? It means where the moon is and where the sun is and where the earth is. All three of them together create the phase of the moon and what we see. The whole moon is always there. It's just a matter of what portion of the moon is lit up by the sun. Therefore, that's the part that we see. We need to know the new moon, the waxing crescent, the first quarter, the waxing gibbous, the full moon, which is when we see the whole thing, the waning gibbous, the third quarter, and the waning crescent. So the new moon is when we don't see anything in the sky. It's all shadow. And then as it gets bigger, it's waxing until it's a full moon. And then as it gets smaller, it's waning until it is a new moon again. Waxing till bigger, waning to smaller. And we have the crescent, which is the little thin sliver of the moon. The gibbous, where it is almost a full moon. And in between the two, we have a quarter, which looks like a half of a moon. The cycle of the moon continues on and over every month. Same steps: new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, waning crescent, back to new moon. This is an important skill that you need to know for science. It's an important concept that is asked every year for fifth graders when they're taking their science SOL test. So you need to make sure that you learn and are familiar with the phases of the moon.